In this video, I'm going to show how to group rooms and places in the Property tour. In the Property tour, it is possible to organize rooms and places into different groups. To have access to this feature, sign in, then click on the Rooms and Places option in the menu. Here you can create groups for rooms and places. For example, you can enter kitchen, then you can add additional groups like rooms or outdoor places. After this, you can organize the rooms and places into these categories. Click on the room, then on the created group. Now I add other places called rooms to the room group. In this case, I add the corridor to this category as well. Let's do the same thing with the kitchen. What we can see is that I accidentally placed the corridor in the kitchen group, although it wasn't my intention. However, what we learn from this is that one place can be put into more groups at the same time. Now I click on the kitchen, then on the group with the same name, and now it's in its place. Let's see the outdoor places. These can be street views, gates, balconies. However, I labeled the gallery as a room, just like the corridor, as I mentioned earlier. If I click on the Save button, the change can be seen immediately. Above the gallery, you can see the little tags with the group names. These can be modified anytime. If you reload the tour, you can see the change in visitor mode as well. The tour is now supplied with room and place groups, which help users find their way in the tour.